Sheikh Noman Naim, Sheikh Farhan Naim, Consul General, and distinguished guests. Allow me on behalf of the Royal Thai Consulate General to extend my gratitude for inviting me into this very special event tonight. And allow me to extend the congratulations to those graduate students, and among them also there are numbers of Thai students. I would like to thank the Binoria University International for what they have extended to students, especially for Thai students. Throughout the years, so many Thai students graduated from Binoria University International, and they are contributing to their countries back there in Thailand in order to spread the true Islam in the country, especially Thailand. As you already know that we are not a Muslim country, but anyhow, for those students who graduate from Binoria University, they played a very crucial role in spreading Islam in the countries, in Thailand. So may Allah reward what the Binoria has been done to our students, and in general, to the student, to other students in general. Of course, Thailand and especially the Royal Thai Consulate and Binoria, we have a very special relationship. For your information, we, as a representative of the government of Thailand, we attach a great importance to those students who are studying Islamic studies abroad, even we are not Muslim countries. We have 3 steps of how to take care of those students. First, before they are going to, abroad. The second step, why they are studying abroad. And the third step, why, when they completed their study and they're going back to their home countries. So these are the 3 steps that the Thai government looking after Thai Muslim students, not only in Pakistan, but everywhere in the world. The first year that I came here, in 2018, I have a chance to meet with Sheikh Noman and his team. And we had a very fruitful conversation that leads into the initiative to go to Thailand, to travel to Thailand, to explore cooperation and collaboration between Binoria and universities in Thailand that teach Islamic studies, in order to lift up the standard, in order to make their degrees recognized by Thai universities, which teach the same programs with Binoria. So inshallah, by the grace of Allah, we will see the fruitful outcome from what we are doing. And especially this is my 4th time here on this attended this event, and my second time on this stage as a representative of the Royal Thai Consulate. I remember that the first year that I came here, when I acknowledged that those students, they are studying Arabic. At that time, I tried to deliver my speech with my very little knowledge of Arabic. So this time also allowed me to communicate with those students in Arabic language, in my very little knowledge of Arabic language, in order to communicate with them in depth. وقبل كل شيء أود أن أتقدم بتهاني لطلابنا في هذه الليلة أنه لمن دواء شروري ومن شرفي لأن أحضر أمامكم جميعا أمام العلماء أمام ورثة الأنبياء. بالنسبة أنا أعتبر أن هذا الاجتماع هو الاجتماع المبارك، الاجتماع بإذن الله الذي يحاط به الملائكة. لماذا؟ لأن هنا في هذا المكان هناك علماء الحاضر وهناك العلماء المستقبل، وهم ورثة الأنبياء. والأنبياء كما أنتم تعرفون لم يرثوا دينارا ولا درهما بل العلم. أنا سمعت مرة قال العلماء بخصوص الوراثة أن الوراثة في هذا المكان لها معنيين. أولا وجوب تبليغ دين الإسلام ونشره ليكون أظهر الدين على الأرض. والمعنى الثاني هو التوقير والاحترام للعلماء. لماذا؟ لأنهم هم الذين ينشرون الدين الله. فهنيئا لكم أنتم ورثة الأنبياء، وبالله التوفيق والهداية، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.